First, use F, R wide, U, and R wide prime moves to pair cores. For example, in this case, with this white piece being here, and this white piece being here, I'm going to use a U move, then RY to pair up these into a bar, move the top layer like this, and move back down to pair a bar one-handed. So let's look for the other white piece. Oh, here it is. It's also a yellow bar. I should probably move that out the way. So in this case, I can move the top layer like this. Looks like I have to move the left side. Move this in place. And then move this down. And that's how you pair core one-handed. Now, most of the time, it'll mostly be those finger tricks we already talked about. But for example, if there's a core piece at the bottom like this blue piece, and then there's one at the top like this, move this down using your pointer finger, and it'll actually be a bit faster than using your pinky or your ring finger. Now, for some edges, you can just do free slice method like this and pair edges, or like this. Insert them in the top layer, just like normal Redux. But sometimes, let's look around. Oh. Now, sometimes you can have this case, which requires something called a right edge flip to get these pieces to match. But in one-handed, the algorithm, obviously all algorithms are different, so you have to learn some new finger tricks and couple a slightly modified algorithm. Here's what that looks like. And notice now the pieces in the right spots, so you can connect them together to make a paired edge. From here, you can just do what you normally do to solve a one-handed 3x3 stage until you get to the last layer. For example, you can solve cross, and no real differences between 3x3 one-handed and 4x4. Now, sometimes when you get to the last layer, there can be something called OLL parity. Here's how to solve that. This is a same algorithm, just with new finger tricks. I highly recommend you do this algorithm next to a table so you can have some kind of support when you're doing these moves. Now sometimes during a 4x4 one-handed solve you can get PLL parity. So here's a slightly different algorithm to solve it. And now you should have a solvable PLL. RIP corner cutting. What the heck is going on? That's it for this video. Please subscribe if you made it this far in the video. See you in the next one.